Hey guys, okay, here's the video instructions for your first assignment that is due, I think, for everybody on Thursday, actually, before your class time on Thursday. So remember, this is called Autobiography Island. There's a few different kind of components of this. Is you guys are going to be drawing or creating some sort of island that represents you with various landforms. So all of these examples are in the Google Slides that I left for you on Google Classroom. So you'll see, right, so you'll see here, right, on your assignment, there is the Google Slides attached there for you guys. So you can see that, and you'll be able to look at all these examples and also look at these written instructions as well. Now, when you're creating this, you must name your island, ideally after you or after something you're interested in. You must have 10 different geographical features or landmarks. Okay, so 10 different geographical features or landmarks. A landmark could be anything like a statue, a stadium, anything you're interested in like that. And then you should name them after you or your interest. Okay, after you or your interests. You must also make a map legend, okay, a map legend or a key. This is what's telling me why this is important to you. So you'll see in all the examples, they have map legends over here, right, on the right here, that you'll see that says, mountains, etc., right? It kind of explains what these are, right, and explains why these are important to these people. So these people put pyramids and they put Egypt, right, because they traveled to Egypt and it was one of their favorite trips they ever took. So you have to include a map legend. You must use color. It must be creative. Try to be good about this. And then you guys will be presenting it to class. I think everybody's actually presenting on Thursday as well. So you guys will be presenting it in class on Thursday. Now, how do you do this? So the easiest way is to do it on paper and upload your photo that way to Google Classroom, which I'll show you in another video. You can also use this cool website called sketch.io. This is a link and it will take you there. So if you click on that, you can play around with that. It's pretty good. You could make a video of a Minecraft island that you created for this. If you do the Minecraft option, right, your map legend will be a Google Doc. Okay, all right, so you'll have to create some sort of Google Doc in order to do that there, so that we have our legend. If you have another idea for this, you can do that as well. If you have another idea, that would be good. And then finally, we have our rubric here as well. You're being graded on criterion C, which is communication and organization. So in theory, this should be a very easy grade for you guys as long as you organize your information and ideas according to all of my instructions and things like that. You should just be fine as long as you follow all of that and you present it, and you must present for at least 3 minutes. You'll be good. If you have any questions, as always, please post your questions on Google Classroom and I will answer them there, or your fellow students will answer them there as well. All right, thank you, and see you guys in class.